I like food, you like food. Everybody want chop. You like to chop, me self like to chop. Yes, I don't carry down my fine face, carry can't give you. I don't carry down my sweet voice. Yes, I know say you don't go tire because now food, now carry me come. Make it no be like say now because of my face now we come. Make I tell you, food now carry us come. And I know say you don't ready to join me on top the chopulating things. As we all see say our chefs done they ready, they done they cut, they done they slice, they done they do everything. You self if you join me on top of Wazobia TV for channel 195 for start times. Now there for they happen. Make yourself for learn one or two things there. Now African food we they cook. We still fit cook the ones for Obodowi country there. But for here, make we rest for house. Because for Nigeria, food self join waiting carriers come together. We know they forbid food at all. But before you trust that person where you go take chocolate in food, that means say you really trust them. But today, we not talk too much. We get two contestants. We want join body together. Make them cook that food as it's supposed to be. They won't cook and they won't tell us say they themselves sabi better thing. But for here, make it not be like say we lost. Make we meet them first of all. Before I then send our ladies first, but make we meet the guy. How you doing, my brother?
They did.
I see say you just they cut, they slice, you know they just waste time, you know they smile at all. I saw you they do for kitchen.
No.
You know they smile with tomato or pepper.
They smile now.
Because those ones might be your best friend. I see say you like the cooking. All right, what's your name?
My name is McDonald.
McDonald. How you can't get foreign name like this? Where you come from?
From Imo State.
Imo State. Anyway, Igbo people themselves they like touching body, go that side, say they sabi some kind original something. All right, what do you want to cook for us today?
Beans pottage, beans and plantain pottage.
Oh, I see say you don't chop your, you don't cut them.
No.
Chop don't enter my mouth. You don't cut all the fish together. Which kind of fish you want to use here, so?
Titus fish.
Titus fish.
Yeah.
Brother of McDonald. Titus fish, brother of McDonald. With beans and plantain.
Yes.
Now you won't cook.
Yes.
I see say you carry salt. What is salt got to do with beans and tomato where they don't grind? Palm oil.
Yeah.
And your seasoning.
Yeah.
With this big crayfish. Now this one I be the mystery one I understand for here. When I mean mystery, now waiting me no know why they do. Now something where I like to chop on a normal day. I know they put them inside food. But I don't know what McDonald's want to do. Why you decide to use this kind of crayfish? Why not say you blend them?
So, the reason why I decide to use this kind of crayfish, no be the grinded one.
Okay.
Because I want make anybody will eat and make it taste.
The crayfish
The
inside. Okay,
crayfish
this one they taste pass down with them ground.
This one it tastes passed down with the ground.
Oh, okay. We'll go see them inside and beans and plantain.
Yes.
All right. You don't pre-boil the plantain with that. My sister Lee, I see say you just join to just lawyer sit down one side. What's they happen for here?
I won't cook. Oh.
You won't cook. Make we allow you cook. Yes, so if you're picking the tell you say, mommy, make a try. I'm not telling no. You don't know what's in it go be. If it be that one, we go bring the money come house because all of us. Waiting we do after now money. But you still need to teach somebody that thing where you go live it for the rest of in life. All right, so how you want to cook for us?
I won't cook beans and plantain.
Beans and plantain.
Yeah.
So often I really ready. Anyway, Sha, we all feel they do the same thing. Now, as we take do one, now matter pass. And I know say for Wazobia TV, you know say we know they carry last. Make we meet our contestant because we never hear her name. What's your name?
My name is
Ruth. Ruth,
yeah.
Where you come from?
From Ebonyi State.
Ebonyi. When they chop beans for that side,
Well.
Are you sure?
Yes.
My people, if you come from Ebonyi and you they chop beans, your sister dey here, Ruth. She said she won't prove say yes. Now wait till we know they chop with that. No less, no wahala. You know, say no be only we they do them. We still get people where they judge the matter as it's supposed to be. And we get our regular sister that yes, she they play with recipe and she talk. She they play with different kind of food. Her blog, if you want to learn how to cook food, make you visit them. We still get her for our show today for inside our kitchen. She said don't come again as she they do. Make she taste the food as they be. And also we get one young chef from one of the hotels for town where they make sense. Instead don't come join her and say no, woman not going to chop this thing together, only you. Make man self join you for the matter. Instead don't join, make it chop the food, make it tell us how it be. Men self don't enter kitchen. So women make una self tie on a wrapper, use rope hold on because men are belts that they use. Use rope hold on because these men They no go take our place for kitchen. But before them, we could meet our judges. How are they, my people? Ahmed. I know this chef. If they cook for one of the hotel, if I chop in food, I feel chop my finger joint. How you there, brotherly?
I did join to my joint.
What's in they happen?
We just wait to see the food.
You just wait.
We wait to see.
I know say you be chef.
Yes.
For this kind of cooking competition, as a chef, what's in you they expect? Where go they different from what's in you they do?
First of all, time matter well.
Okay.
Hungry man no get time.
They
The major
dey in
thing
a
na
hurry.
make the food ready.
Okay.
Secondly, na the presentation. Because we for the hotel, we dey talk say we dey feed with eyes.
Okay.
Before the mouth we go test.
chop am.
Later the belly go collect the remaining. If
You
the
get
food
am?
no come well for the plate, the mouth no go near am, and the belly no go ready to welcome that kind of food. So the timing, the taste, and presentation.
Now you they wait
Na
for.
me I dey wait for.
My sisterly. I don't go tired to see your face.
Myself no go tell her to come here to come the chop all the chop.
No, I hope say you they work out because I know I make you fast like
So
this.
before I ask her, they leave you and I straight to gym.
Gym. My people, may you chop healthy. That one not mean so may you chop everything together. All right, sisterly, what do you they expect today? Tell us your name first because you know so we get people.
Awudu.
Judith Awudu. This
I
woman,
do
a
my
woman we
job.
chop. She get family, oh. May you not think so she not sabi cook the cook. All right, how the blog they do?
They go well.
All right, so what thing you they expect for today? Because I know say today was supposed to be different.
I want something different. I want
From the
creativity.
normal thing. Okay.
You know, now today na beans we dey play with. Beans
Yes.
and plantain.
And you
I
know
don't
say
want
beans
see
dey
the
very-
normal beans and plantain. You know,
And
because-
beans they very important for our body.
Yes.
Okay.
That the time when we small, they say if you no chop beans, you no go tall. So most of us when they chop beans.
Yes,
beans,
I remember
beans.
those days for boarding school that they give us beans.
Yes,
Well, not be small.
they're very high in protein, so they're
Okay.
very good for growing child
Okay.
and adult self. So I want to see something different. I want to make them play with their creativity because plenty things they will if you use beans do. I mean, don't they tell my my fellow judge here say I hope they go do something different.
Okay.
Because these beans, my head, I don't already see different picture of something what I want.
Okay.
So I don't want to see the normal one.
Normal beans.
Yes.
All right, my contestants, I hope so una done ready to wow the judges. Because they said they're ready to chopulate una food as it's supposed to be. Make una not dull me because I believe in una. And you serve with the house, I believe in you. Carry your remote like I dey talk. Call your friends, tell somebody, tell neighbors. Say Queen B done ready on top of Wazobia TV for Start Times for channel 195. Make we do am as they do am every Saturday. Make you not change that down because for here, me I ready to bring am to una. If you get any recipe, if you get any food where you think say you don't cook for house and you want me we self cook am for here, make you be as you take cook am. Why not? Follow us on top Twitter, follow us on top Facebook. Make we do am as it's supposed to be. You go see our Facebook and you go see our Twitter as they scroll for your TV screen right now. Make we do am together on top chop. Me I no go tired to the chop food because food now it still carry me come here. And I tell you I don't ready to make this one happen. Every Saturday, my name still remain Queen B for channel 195 for Start Time for Wazobia TV.